I'm Menka.
I'm Rohan.
I'm Mir.
And we are getting ready to go to our trip for
Snowy Mountain.
It's time to pack the bags. So let's pack our beanies, snow gloves, jackets, boots, pants, shoes, mufflers, warmers and snow gloves. These are very important things to carry with you when you're going to the snow.
तो हमने ये सब जो है एनाकोंडा से लिया है इन द मंथ ऑफ अराउंड मई जून जब स्नो का सीजन स्टार्ट होता है तो आपको एलडी में एनाकोंडा में रेबल स्पोर्ट्स में ये सब अच्छी डील्स मिल जाएंगी.
These are the special snow boots, so make sure you're carrying them with you to the snow.
So we have left for Snowy Mountains, just started.
We left early morning and it's approximately 7 hours drive from Sydney to Snowy Mountains. It's a beautiful iconic destination and good months to visit are from June, July, August to September. Peak months for snow are July and August. This time we decided to go in the month of June to avoid the big crowds as Snowy Mountains gets really busy in the peak season.
In holidays, do you like to go on a mountain side or a beach side?
Both.
On way to Snowy Mountains, we had a stopover at a pie shop. It's called Heatherbrass Pies and it is an award-winning pie shop where you get a lot of variety of freshly baked pies.
So on way to Snowy Mountains, we had a stopover at this pie shop. It's an award-winning pie shop. Very nice pies, lot of variety of pies. So do try this.
So this is the place in Kuma where you can do skis, boats and chainsaw. So come with me inside. If you're driving past Kuma, I would suggest to hire your snow equipments from Kuma itself, as in Perisher or Threadbow, these things can be quite expensive to hire. Also do check out where toboggans are allowed, as looks like they are only allowed at some specific places like Perisher or Smiggins.
Now we are heading towards Threadbow and we are staying in Lantern Apartments. I will show you soon.
Excited!
We have just entered Snowy Mountains and now we are heading towards Threadbow.
We had a quick stopover in Jindabyne. It is quite central to all the places in Snowy Mountains. Entry to Kosciuszko National Park is paid around $34 for 2 nights. We are staying here in Lantern Apartments in Threadbow. This is the whole Threadbow village. Such a beautiful view of mountains from here. Look at this. These are Lantern Apartments right in the middle of Threadbow and such an amazing view of the mountains from these apartments. Entering our room number is 22. Wow, nice, beautiful, cozy apartment. Room size is good and look at the bed, looks so comfortable man. I'm so happy. और अब आ जाओ आपको एक चीज़ दिखाती हूँ बाहर. देखो कितना प्यारा व्यू है विंडो से. Oh my God, these are the mountains and look at the gorgeous view of the mountain and there is snow on the top. अभी रात को शायद दिख नहीं रही है लेकिन look at this beautiful view from the mountain.
Happy holidays in Snowy Mountains. Cheers! I just woke up, day 2 of Snowy Mountains. This is an amazing view.
This is the outside of a Lantern apartment where we are staying. We also got dedicated parking area for our car. Such a beautiful mountain view. This is the morning view of Alpine Mountains. So pretty, so lovely and so nice.
अगर आपको कॉफ़ी वगैरह चाहिए तो ये पूरा स्की रिजॉर्ट है और स्की रिजॉर्ट में आपको सारी इसमें फैसिलिटीज़ हैं स्कीइंग को स्टोर करने की और अपने स्नो बूट्स वगैरह रखने की.
वाओ, अमेजिंग व्यू ऑफ एल्पाइन माउंटेन्स. और यहाँ पे स्टेयरकेस से आपको नीचे उतरते हैं यहाँ पे शॉप्स मिल जाएंगी. सो दिस प्लेस इज क्वाइट क्लोज टू ऑल द नियर बाय रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड शॉप्स.
सो गाइस वी हैव रीच्ड पेरिशर वैली. ये देखो पीछे सारा पूरा पेरिशर वैली का व्यू है.
la la
guys, my experience in Snowy Mountains is awesome, and look at the snowman at the back. He is so cute. As you can see, this is Parashar Valley at the back. Look at this. इतनी यहाँ पे snow है. First week of June और already यहाँ पे बहुत snow आ चुकी है. This is the Maya restaurant in Jindabyne. We had Thai food over here. It was absolutely amazing. So yeah, so I highly recommend this restaurant. So if you happen to be in Snowy Mountains, do definitely try Maya restaurant in Jindabyne.
Day 3 in Snowy Mountains, and today we are going to see Front Valley and Smicken Holes. अभी भी ऑपरेशनल नहीं हैं. चेयर लिफ्ट्स ऑपरेशनल होती हैं पीक सीजन में, लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं कि जून के मंथ में भी कितनी प्यारी स्नो है. सो हम जा रहे हैं अपने टोबोगन्स लेके स्लाइड करने के लिए स्नो पर, और मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए आप इंजॉय कीजिए ये स्नो के नज़ारे और स्टे हेल्दी, हैप्पी, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग द पार्ट ऑफ आवर जॉलीवुड फैमिली. सो वर्चुअली हमारे साथ इस तरीके से आप बने रहिए और खूब खूब खुश रहिए. सो हम मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए एंजॉय करें, खुश रहें और अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखें.